The first cargo route is snowy, but it's fucking guys, nag-pick up na naman yung hangin. So, lagay muna natin yung dala natin dyan. Lumig! Kunin natin yung brush. At may sound na yan guys. Hindi na